Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making a little summer. So what I've got is I've got some of this stuff. Do you know the garden uh, rope stuff? I've been thinking of doing something like this for a while. So what I'm going to be doing, when I can get it open, there we go. So, yeah, going to use these two. I might go with green, don't know. Might put a little tiny bits of green in it. But what I'm going to be doing is... So I'll have it going along the door. And then, do you know like the way people make them beard things? Like for underneath the mirrors and that. And it hangs down. I'm going to be making one of them, like a door version one. You know, like you have them, you can sometimes get them like wooden type of curtain things what hang down. But I'm going to be doing it with this twang stuff. I think it's twang. But yeah. So, first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put a hook in each side. So, say about what? Put one hit this side. So you got to make sure it's screwed in. Sorry, I got my pajama bottoms on. I always wear some pajama bottoms when I'm doing little DIY stuff. Right, so yeah, and then make sure you get it in. Like so. Just need to straighten them out, and then no, get up. If you heard me, I was saying get off to my cat because, yeah, little sod was trying to get it. So, what you need to do, you just need to tie on each side, then make sure you get the right length around to the other side, and then, yeah, so then snip it there. Yeah, cut that bit, a little bit off there. Yeah, so the first bit, right, so you have, so there's there, so I need a lot more, so just drop it, so at least a bit more off the ground, yeah, so it gets to that end there, so you need quite a lot for each bit. Still don't know if I'm gonna have enough, but if it doesn't work out, I just could put some of the green in as well, just in case. So then snip it here. So there's like your first bit. Make sure you have it together like that. And what is it? So you just go. So you put it there. You get that bit. You put it through the hoop. Then you thread it through so it goes all the way through, and then there you go. There's the first bit. So just put that to the end, and then so just make sure you keep doing it so it goes all the way across. So so I shall be back soon. I'll give you a preview soon when I've got halfway through it. So bye for now. Hey guys, so sorry for not going on it when I was halfway through, but I was concentrating. So but I'm nearly done anyway. I've just got to do this bit, and I just need to snip at the bottom. But yeah, it's looking alright up to now. So I'll give you a better view when I'm done. So bye for now. Hey guys, I've finished. Right, so yeah, it's looking alright. This bit's not exactly straight, but I will straighten it out soon. Everyone makes little mistakes, so yeah. So yeah, I've snipped out the bottom so it's straight. So you could have it maybe say going that way, or maybe going that way, but I'm going to have it going down the middle, maybe, or I might just leave it the way it is. But yeah, if you want to see more stuff like this, then turn on notifications. If you know anyone who's interested in this type of stuff, then can you share to your friends and family? I'm trying to make this video go viral. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, or anything that you would like me to do, because I do like a challenge. And subscribe to my channel. So yeah, so I shall see you next time. Bye for now.